Hello everyone, welcome to the Affordable Poster online training course. In this episode, I would like to show you how to use the screwdriver to replace the hub card, receiving card, also the power supply. Disconnect all the cables first. Another cable. Then loosen all screws. Start from the power supply. Now we can take the hub card, and if the hub card has some issue, and you can replace it with the new hub card. Also, here at back side we have the receiving card, and you can loosen the four screws here, and then you can take the receiving card out and replace it with a new receiving card. Then you can take the power supply out. The power supply is attached to a thermosilicon pad, which helps with heat dissipation. So I'm not going to pull it out this time. If the power supply in your poster fails, and you can simply pull it out in the same way and replace it with a spare one. Now we have put the hub card, power supply back. Also connect all the cables. Now we put the module back. Now we put all modules back. Let's power on it. Turn the power on. Bingo. Everything is recovered.